Hi everyone! We will be creating a 3D crochet heart, which you can use to add to your projects. The heart is a popular symbol for love and is predominantly seen during the love month, February, when Saint Valentine's Day is celebrated. Let's get started. You will need the following materials. To begin, create a magic ring. Hook in 7 single crochets inside the magic ring. Pull the ring close. Round 2, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Round 3. We will work 2 single crochets in every stitch in the round. Round 4. Single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in every stitch in the round. Repeat this pattern 6 more times. Round 5. Single crochet in every stitch in the round. Continue with the round 5 pattern until round 7. Round 8, single crochet in the next 10 stitches. Slip stitch in the next stitch and in the first stitch in the round. We will now work on the right heart bump. Rounds 9 to 10, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Round 11, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet 2 together. Repeat for every stitch in the round. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Insert the fiberfill into your 3D heart. Slip stitch in the same stitches as the first slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 9 to 10, single crochet in every stitch in the round. You will have a total of 10 stitches in each round. Round 11, single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet 2 together. Repeat until the end of the round. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. don't forget to click on the subscribe, like or share buttons. Or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.